Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into Google Lens account. So without any further ado, let's get started. In order to sign into your Google Lens account, you need to first sign into your Google account. So open Google application. Here, enter your email or phone number in the text box. Click on the next button. Here, you'll have to enter your password, and if you do not remember your password, then you can click on Forgot Password link. Now, click on the next button. Click on the I agree option in order to agree with the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And now you'll be able to use the Google Lens feature by clicking on the camera icon just beside the mic icon. So that is how you can sign into Google Lens account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.